What's going on, guys? Coming at you with the third video. Right now we're gonna be going to the junkyard and seeing if I could go find a window or a window regulator just to see if they have anything. If not, we're just gonna be looking around and see if they have anything. And if they have anything, you know, why to pick that thing up, you know, junkyard find. But yeah, I'm gonna just take you guys along the process on how I do it. But we are going to the one in Wisconsin. Alright, so we just got here at the junkyard, and unfortunately we're not allowed to go in. They have like someone, they ask you what you need, and then the person that works there has to go get it, and then from there, that's how they do it. So I am at Jan's Yard for Automotive Inc. in Wisconsin, down here in Kenosha. So yeah, unfortunately I wasn't able to go inside and get you guys some content, but I am going to be taking the window because I do need it, and it's probably going to be like a 30-minute wait. So. Alright guys, so we just got the window from the junkyard. I got it back here. Right now we're just on the way home. Yeah, I'm probably not going to install it until like Friday or something, because that's when the regulator gets here. The new one, I ordered it off Amazon. So yeah, right now we're just going to be heading home. So what is going on, guys? Coming at you with another video. We are doing a window regulator fix and also a window, window. Yeah. So we got the new window right here. From that last clip you guys seen, it was from the junkyard. All I'm gonna do is just clean it up and then have everything good to go in there. And then we do have the motor right here. So yeah, gonna just be replacing it and everything. Everything is already lubricated. I already took off the door panel, and the way you do that is literally by, there's gonna be a screw right here behind the door. You take that screw off, and there's gonna be another screw right here in the middle, which is this guy right here. So you take that off as well, and then you disconnect the clips, all of them, and then yeah, the door panel, you just literally pop it up. They're connected from these clips right here, one right there, another one over there, and then disconnect the speaker, and then yeah, that should be relatively easy just to take off the door panel. But yeah, now we're just gonna be taking off the motor. So what I gotta do first is take off these screws right here, because we're gonna be reusing these screws and putting up on the brand used one. So we gotta take these screws off, and then from there we gotta take both of them off. There's another one in there, you guys can see it right there. So yeah, and then from there we had to take off some screws like this one, that one right there. There should be more back here, but I'll keep you guys updated on which screws I take off too. So definitely that one right there too. So yeah. wanted to do a little update. So they are 6 screws in total. There's gonna be one right there, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. And the clip connects to that guy right there, so you just get some pliers and ply it out, and then the red clip goes right there. So there we go. And so it's gonna be 6 screws that hold in the motor, and then right now I'm just adjusting it. So right now I just have these 4 screws, or these 3 screws in, just so it doesn't fall on me. But I am trying to adjust it with these holes right here, just to see which one I need. So yep. After you have these 2 aligned, you want to screw them in all the way tight, and then I just screw in all 4 bolts over here tight as well. And then the way you want to align it is you literally got to connect this guy again, and then drop it down, and then from there you're gonna be able to see the bolts. And from those bolts, you just got to drop in the mirror or the windshield. What's going on, guys? Since the last clip, I did just decide to just do it all fast because I was kind of leaving. So I'll give you guys like a little overview on what I did. So this is the door back all together. So there's 4 screws on this side. You want to just screw those in and make sure those are on tight. But the 2 screws over here that were supposed to be like aligning, you want to let those a little loose, or not. You want to just have them off. And the way you want to slide in your door is like sideways, and then push it in. Make sure it's on the track on this side, and then make sure it's on the track on the left side. So make sure they're on both on the same track, or they're both on their track. So from the first side to the back side, and then you want to keep pushing it down until you get into the 2 bottom screws, the one right there, and then the one down there. So yeah, after that, once it's in line, make sure it goes up and down, and make sure it's on the track. And then that's when you want to align those 2 screws that are right there. And there should be a little SI over here. Checking my car out. And it should have a full window. Show you guys. Heads up. Some people lubricate the track. I might have so it could go in smoothly and go up smoothly. I do have to do the other side as well. The other side's kind of like slow on it, but the way you do that is just spray some like lubricant in the track. Let me see like a really good image. You want to put the door back on, and the way you put it on is just put the top first. You put the top piece first, push it down, and then smack it so you could click it back in place. You put this guy back on, and then make sure you clip it. And that will conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I was kind of struggling a little bit just to put that window back in, but I got it in, so that's the only thing that matters. But yeah, tune in for the next video. It's gonna be amazing.